All right, guys, and welcome back. Thanks for joining me again. And this time I have fixed my phone so you will not get any noises when I get an email. So this right here is my Azalea Floorplan. We're going to go ahead and go on inside. You can see that we've got a nice 2-car garage here. And in that garage there's actually some extra storage. So let's just walk in from the garage actually. So we've got a nice size. We have this raised area here, and please pardon our mess. We are still under construction out here, guys. But there's plenty of room for storage. This is a nice 2-car garage. We're going to come in. All right. And right away you can see we have this drop zone area here. We can finish this off with a cabinet if you would like, but a great place to put some hooks, a place to put all your stuff as you come in the door. And then we'll pan around here. This is our kitchen. You can see really nice size. We finished this one off with granite countertops. And I believe this color is a color called Santa Cecilia Light. And there's your space for your refrigerator, your range and microwave, should you choose one. Your sink is over here. Space for your dishwasher. We do not have those installed yet. And then I would be neglecting if I did not show you all this pantry. This is a really good size, and I don't have lights to turn on to show you yet. We may come back out here another time, but this is a huge pantry. Great for storage for your food and kitchen appliances. You can look out there to our back door. We've extended the patio a little bit back here, so you have a nice little pad. Then just looking back over this gorgeous view. It is so peaceful out here. Okay, let's go on back inside and look at the rest of the house. So, see in here to our living area. And this is your main living area. This is more of an eat-in area here. See, we've got some gas logs, fireplace here. If we make our way back to the front of the house, you can see where we have this front room. Could be a study, a formal dining area, anything that you would really like this extra space for. It's a great flex space. And then coming through, and this is from your front door, to your right here, there's a powder room. So you can see the pedestal sink. And then under here, I believe is where your just a coat closet will be. We would like you to have plenty of storage to put all your things away. Staircase up in this home goes from the back of the house. So it leads into your living area here. And we're going to go back up the stairs. So I said earlier, this home can be 3 bedrooms with a loft area, or it can be 4 bedrooms. This buyer has opted to do 4 bedrooms, so I'm going to take us into this 4th bedroom right here. This area could be an upstairs loft, so if you prefer to leave this open, we can definitely do it. But even as an extra bedroom, I'm standing inside the closet right now. Nice, good walk-in closet. Let's tour through these other bedrooms here. This is another secondary bedroom. This one looks over the front of the home. You can just see the view here. Another really nice walk-in closet. I think this one may be a little larger than the other. And then from the secondary bath, you can see here's our hall bathroom. So a really nice wide vanity there. And you have your shower tub combo right here. And again, guys, I would love to take you through here when these houses are a little more complete. When I have carpet and paint on the walls, we'll tour them again. We'll look at them. This room actually has 2 closets, which is nice. They're each just a little smaller, but still really great storage. And again, this room looks over the front of the home. And guys, this one is sold. I would love to build another one for you though, if you like this floor plan. This here is your master, so you can see you've got some really good space in this master bedroom. A couple of different choices for where you'd like to put your bed, depending on how you want your room to really feel. And then we walk on through here is our master bath. We only did a single vanity sink here, but we can do a double vanity. Our standard here is a cultured marble, which is just really nice. This is our stand-in shower. This is our standard for the master. You can get a tub if you would like, but this is a really nice double wide shower. In through here is closet. And then, whoop, I'm blocking my light again. We don't have electricity out here just yet, but I will in a couple of weeks. And that's where your toilet would be located. Then through here, you have a master closet. Really great space, but more surprises, guys. So leading from your master closet, this is your utility room. So you kind of have just a private access straight to your washer and dryer from the master bedroom through the bathroom. There's this nice little nook over here that's just great for storage, your ironing board or any other supplies that may need to go up here. And then right here, I think we just have another closet. Again, so much storage space in all of these homes. All right, I'm gonna head on back downstairs. Again, this is the Azalea. This one is priced right at $220 to do that 4th bedroom. And just over 2,100 square feet here. So give me just another couple of minutes. I'm gonna hop over there to our Holly, which is just next door, and then we'll give that one a tour. That one is our 1 level. So join me in just a few minutes and we'll give that one a look. Thanks so much, guys.